Are you getting ready to put your home for sale? Try these small budget, big impact home improvement projects. With the current stay-at-home restrictions, here comes a silver lining, an opportunity to make the best of our current situation. As they say, time is money, so use your downtime to your advantage and add some upgrades to your property. Before we begin outlining the top small budget, big impact home improvement projects, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Kate Smith, a local Hollywood real estate agent with Kate Smith Group eXp Realty. Feel free to look around and check out our videos and many resources we put together for you. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the little bell to be notified when I upload a new video. When you put your home on the market, you want it to attract buyers and sell quickly for as much as possible. There are many ways to achieve this. If you want to know more, check out these videos: Selling Your House Don'ts, 8 Mistakes to Avoid When Selling Your Home, and Selling a Home in Hollywood, How to Market Your House. I will include convenient links in the description below. And depending on the condition of your home, that might mean making some improvements before you put it on the market. With any home improvement projects, the usual concerns are time and money. You finally have the time to work on home improvement projects, but don't want to stretch the budget. The good news is you can make big difference and enhance your home or investment property with these easy do-it-yourself projects. Watch this video to the end, as I will give you a free copy of the Ultimate Seller's Guide I put together for you. 1. Walls can talk. In terms of impact, you won't get more bang for your buck than painting. Fresh paint can completely transform the look and feel of your home, making it more inviting. Stick to neutral or soft pastel colors that buyers or renters can live with. Many consider white walls to be passé, and flat gray can be boring if overused. After you have painted, go ahead and change all switch plate covers. Create a new, contemporary and uniform look. 2. Trick out the baseboards. You don't have to remove that skinny baseboard to upgrade the room. Just cut complementary trim, install a few inches above the existing trim, and paint both the trim and the wall in between the same color. You will have the look of a white baseboard trim without the cost. While you're at it, replace those old heat registers and vents with metal or wooden vent covers. 3. Upgrade your hardware. Replacing cabinet knobs and drawer pulls can breathe new life into a kitchen, making it look more modern, sophisticated, or classic depending on the hardware you choose. Measure the spread between the 2 screws on your existing hardware, or take one with you to compare to the new ones. Make sure the attached screws are the same length as the old ones, or buy proper lengths of screws for all of your cabinets. 4. Change doorknobs and deadbolts. Changing the interior and exterior doorknobs to matching finishes and styles can make a bigger difference than you might think. Plus, you'll add a level of security by replacing loose keyed knobs and adding deadbolts to the exterior doors. 5. Kitchen. Make a splash with a backsplash. Get rid of that grease-stained area behind the counter with peel and stick tiles or vinyl that you cut to fit the space. If you aren't up for that kind of a project, paint with washable latex paint and stencil or paint a scene for a unique look. Bathrooms. Redo bathroom caulk, as bathroom caulk can attract mold and will yellow with age. Cracked caulk lines will allow water to soak behind the walls and doors, causing more grief in the future. Remove the old caulk with a putty knife or similar tool and clean the area with bleach and water solution before replacing it with clean new silicone caulk. This will give your bathroom an overall cleaner new look. 7. Restyle the mirror. Many older homes kept those awesome wall-size mirrors above the bathroom sink, but they lack any style. Frame them by cutting a trim and install the frame with adhesive. Now that you have mastered the bathroom mirror, go bigger by creating door panels out of inexpensive MDF. Then painting the door one solid color. It is an easy way to bring a classic look to a room. 8. Change out the lights. Bring those old 70s ceiling lights into the 2020s by replacing them with modern but classic fixtures. Make sure you choose lighting that can handle the space and the light requirements, and stay within the wattage guidelines when you install bulbs. And whenever you work on electrical projects, make sure to turn off the power before starting. 9. Don't ignore your fans. And we're not talking about Facebook fans. Do bathroom fans make rattling noise? That's an easy fix. Many new bathroom fans will fit the existing space, or you can replace the motor in the old one. Make sure to cut the power before starting work on a project, and clean up any dust or debris inside the space before you install the new fan. 10. Upgrade the thermostat with a Look Smart. Energy Star reports homeowners can save up 8% of their heating and cooling bills simply by switching to a smart thermostat. So you get the smart features and the look. Programmable thermostats are available for less than $30. So it's a win-win situation on savings front. And spend a little more and you'll get the look as well as functionality. 11. Curb appeal matters. Spiff up the front with colorful flowers and neatly trimmed shrubs. If your yard is flat and unappealing, plant trees that will eventually offer shade and a potential 10% increase of your property value. 12. Swap the deck. Brighten up the deck or stone pathways of your home by cleaning mold and debris from the surface. You can rent a power washer from your local home improvement store or call in the pro. Choose a spray that will clean the area without damaging it. Number 13. Drain the water heater. No one will ever notice this project, but it will help you pass inspections with flying colors. And if this is an investment property, it'll prolong its life, save you money, and keep plumbing problems from eating into your rental property profits. Here is how you do this. Drain a few gallons of water from your water heater 2 or 3 times per year to clear sediment at the bottom of the tank. This keeps the buildup to a minimum and allows the heater to not only work efficiently, but also last longer. Turn the gas and pilot light off or unplug the unit before starting and check the heater for leaks, which could cause headaches down the road. Thanks for joining me today. As promised, you can find the instructions on how to download your free copy of the Ultimate Seller's Guide in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share the love. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Kate Smith, Hollywood, Florida.